Hello, everyone. I'm Karla Uribe. I lead our accountant product strategy, and I'm very excited to show you the brand new experience we've been co-building with accountant partners. The Intuit Accountant Suite is now live. This is a brand new product, rich with functionality and AI-powered experiences, so you can manage your clients, your firm, and your team all in one place. The Intuit Accountant Suite combines the power of our platform, has the ability to access all of your client and team's data in one place, and incorporates the latest AI technology to increase your speed and unlock a new level of efficiency. Now, let me recap some of the things we've heard from you that helped inspire what is in this product. There's no one centralized place to manage clients within our QuickBooks platform. You have multiple QuickBooks Online accountant realms, and your clients are spread across them. You're using too many third-party tools to analyze client data. You don't have visibility and controls for clients across different products like tax, payroll, and payments. The Intuit Accountant Suite alleviates those pain points. It brings together work, teams, and all your clients into one place to offer you better visibility and control. This is what your view will look like in the new experience. Your Home Hub is now a dynamic dashboard, fully customizable, with the goal to give you real-time insights into what matters most to you. If you're an executive or a staff accountant, you will decide what you want to see every time you log in. In your new Accountant Suite, you'll be able to consolidate your clients from your QuickBooks Online accountant realms, set bulk permissions, and manage your entire portfolio with no loss to performance. Now let me show you how the Accountant Suite will become your data platform. Starting with the new AI-powered Client Insights, a very powerful new experience accountants have been asking for. Client Insights allows you to query across client data to help problem solve, get insights, and find opportunities to help clients. You can select client custom fields and products to generate a list of clients, and you can select which data you want to see. Soon, you'll be able to query by whatever parameters make the most sense to you. And in the future, this won't be just Intuit data, but third-party data as well. We understand that the value to you will come from being able to collect many data sources. Now, this isn't just about seeing data. It's also about using it to get work done. Let me show you. You'll be able to leverage AI tools such as anomaly detection with root cause analysis, powered by the accounting agent. In this view, I've selected to see P&L data across my clients. I can see that there's an anomaly in the profit margin for Tracy's framing. The explanation indicates that the expenses have gone up significantly compared to the previous month. Now let's move into how we deliver firm-level insights with Intuit Intelligence. With Intuit Intelligence, in your Client Insights, you'll be able to go deep with customer data, asking questions and getting answers about a client, a group of clients, or your entire portfolio. Let's take a look. Remember, in our dashboard, we saw that Tracy's framing company had the change in expenses this month. So let's ask for an explanation. Well, it turns out that there was a $15,000 purchase from Furniture Ava that was categorized as office supplies. Intuit Intelligence suggests that this purchase might need to be recategorized as a fixed asset, since it looks like a furniture purchase. It also offers to reclassify the transaction and produce a depreciation schedule based on the firm's fixed asset policy. Let's go ahead and do that and also create the depreciation schedule. Intuit Intelligence gets to work on reclassifying and drafting the schedule. I can now review and make edits if I need to adjust anything. And once I've had a look at the details, I'll save it and put it on autopilot. Not only can Intuit Intelligence execute the task for one client, it can also look across your clients for additional anomalies. In this case, it identified 2 clients with potential miscategorizations of prepaid expenses. This is one example of the powerful intelligence you'll have at your fingertips with the ability to work across clients. Now let's talk about how we're helping you get work done. We're introducing a new way to streamline work across your clients without leaving the Accountant Suite. Starting with Consolidated Books Close. You can now track and work on month-end close for all your clients in one place. The close dashboard shows close status and assignees across all your clients. Let's open OmSpa Daycare's October close. This is a customizable workflow where you can complete account reconciliation and reclassify transactions and AI recommendations from the accounting agent. You can do an expense inconsistency check. This check shows transactions that are coded differently this month compared to the last month for the same vendor. For instance, Matcov hardware transaction is coded to office supplies. When we click on it, we can see that this vendor was previously categorized under repairs and maintenance. Intuit Intelligence identifies this anomaly and recommends the correct categorization. With just a click, the recommendation is accepted and Matcov hardware is categorized correctly. You can also use bulk actions to quickly update uncategorized transactions, and all of your changes instantly sync to a client's files. Now let's talk about ProConnect. We have a new experience launching this tax season that will help you streamline your tax workflows. You'll be able to see your ProConnect tax clients within the Accountant Suite, and also be able to prepare, e-file, and track the status of the tax returns across all the clients in one place. Let's take a look at Carraro Construction's corporate tax return. You see a step-by-step workflow where you can request client documents, prepare, and e-file the return. Here, we click onto a draft tax return and complete it without leaving the Accountant Suite. Everything is instantly synced to ProConnect. And this is just the beginning. Soon, similar to this integrated experience, you'll be able to manage your bill pay clients from one centralized place to further streamline your AP workflows. Now let's talk about how we're deepening our partnership by supporting you and your teams. I want to share how we're evolving the ProAdvisor program, integrated within the Accountant Suite, to drive firm growth. It delivers greater value to accounting firms and their teams with new firm-level rewards, professional development, and community engagement. Starting in the Accountant Suite, you can access the ProAdvisor program. You will have a new dashboard that shows an overview of your team's training and certification status and firm-level ProAdvisor points. The new ProAdvisor Training Manager gives you a bird's-eye view of certifications and courses completed and in progress. You'll also see at-a-glance metrics to keep track of overall team progress. And coming soon, you'll be able to assign courses to your individual team members with due dates. So far, we've covered innovations in client management, intelligent workflows, and team support. Let's talk about how we're helping improve operational efficiency. You told us that you worry about managing your team's workload. One firm told us they locked themselves in a room for a week each quarter just to calculate team utilization. We hear you. Our network of experts face the same challenges you do. Over the years, we've developed tools to solve capacity planning. I'm excited to announce today that we'll be building those same capabilities directly into the Accountant Suite. Let's look at your team's utilization. If you're managing a team, you're likely using spreadsheets to manage everyone's workload. Understanding the impact of adding hours and client work to some staff can have unintentional consequences. We want to help you better manage your staffing needs with access to firm-wide utilization data insights. Here in the Capacity app, you get an instant understanding of your firm's utilization. You can see what's happening this month and identify who is stretched thin and who is underutilized. Imagine you just found out an employee is going on leave and you need to figure out who will cover their work. Instead of starting with a blank page, you now can input who's going on leave. The system will immediately show which clients they are responsible for and provide a recommendation for who can take that work over. The recommendation is data-backed. You'll know why a person was recommended based on current capacity and who matches the work considering their manager skills and industry experience. We also show you the before and after impacts of the change, depending on which employee you assign the work. You are always in control. You can move forward with what we recommend or explore other members of your team who are also great matches for the work. Everything I just showed you today is just the beginning. We're excited about what the future holds for the Intuit Accountant Suite and its ability to help you manage your firm, clients, and teams all in one place. To get started with Intuit Accountant Suite, log in as primary admin in your QuickBooks Online accountant product, and at the top of the home page, you'll see the option to opt in.